Hello and welcome to Heal Your Mind. Today, we're talking about how to make challenging but realistic goals actually happen using psychology. We've all had moments like this. This month, I'll finally start working out. I'm going to read a book this week. But a few days later, that motivation disappears like it never existed. So why does that happen? And how can we make sure our goals stick this time? Let's look at 5 proven psychological theories and how to use them to stay on track with your goals. First up is the SMART goals theory. This theory says that goals are more likely to succeed when they're well defined. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In other words, your goal should be clear, trackable, realistic, meaningful, and have a deadline. For example, instead of saying I should exercise, say I'll walk for 30 minutes, 3 times a week, for the next month. Next is the concept of self-efficacy, introduced by psychologist Albert Bandura. Self-efficacy is the belief that I can do this. And that belief strongly influences whether we actually follow through. You can build it by recalling your past wins, watching others succeed, or receiving encouragement. Think back to a time when you overcame something hard. That memory alone can boost your confidence today. Third, we have a key principle from behavioral psychology: reinforcement. When a behavior leads to a positive outcome, we're more likely to repeat it. So give yourself a reward for sticking to your plan. If you follow through for a week, treat yourself to something you enjoy, like dessert or a relaxing break. The brain learns to love behaviors that come with good feelings. Fourth is the Tiny Habits method by B.J. Fogg of Stanford. He says, start small. That's how real change begins. Big goals can feel overwhelming. But tiny habits, like 2 squats after brushing your teeth, or writing 1 sentence after your morning coffee, can hook into your routine. The key is to create small, winnable actions that build momentum. Fifth is the theory of planned behavior by Isaac Eisen. According to this theory, behavior is influenced by 3 things. 1. Our attitude toward the action. 2. Social pressure or support. 3. Our sense of control over the behavior. So, if you feel good about your goal, you have supportive people around you, and you believe you can actually do it, you're much more likely to act. Don't keep your goals a secret. Tell a friend, find a goal buddy, or post your progress online. We're stronger when we're not going it alone. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips you can apply right now. 1. Visualize your goal. Imagine yourself succeeding in vivid detail. 2. Track your actions daily. A simple checkmark in an app or planner can motivate you. 3. Reduce friction. Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Or keep distractions away. Setting a slightly difficult but realistic goal means you're growing. And psychology gives you a toolbox to make that growth sustainable. Keep these strategies in mind for your next challenge. You've got this. This has been Heal Your Mind. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.